As evening fell, they saw a great big palace down below. My uncle's house, said Princess Pearl. Let's go and say hello. Bang, crash, thump, they landed. Pearl's uncle was the king. He didn't say hello. Instead, he said, You naughty thing! Where have you been? He thundered. You look an awful mess. What's happened to your crown? And where's your pretty frilly dress? But, Uncle, can't you see that I'm a doctor now? Said Pearl. The king replied, Princesses can't be doctors, silly girl. He told his men to seize her and to lock her up inside. Princess Pearl was furious. She stamped and stormed and cried. Weeks went by, and Princess Pearl spent many weary hours sewing pretty cushions and arranging pretty flowers.